Coming at you live from the Dakota Dunes of South Dakota. RNG Roofing. And I'm with...
Josh Vandenhall.
What do you do for a living, Josh?
I teach physical education and I coach football.
How's your football team doing?
We are 6-0 this after last night.
Does that have anything to do with you?
A little bit. More about the boys than me, though. We got a great group of kids.
So at one point in time, Karl with R&W Roof came to your home and y'all talked about a roof. Why did you need a roof?
We had hail damage in the middle of the summer. We had hail damage on our roof, gutters on the sides of our house. The screens were ruined. The deck paint was had markings, so we got hit pretty hard.
And at one point, Karl from R&W Roof came in to talk to you. Did he deliver on those promises that he told you?
Karl delivered on every promise. He went above and beyond on every promise. He didn't. He didn't just replace my roof. He took care of us. Personally, he answered every text message. He called me. He really took care of us.
Is there a difference between the top of your roof and that one of our competitors did the roof next to it? And there's something, what are those little square things on that roof next to yours? Do you know anything about that?
I know a little bit about it. Obviously, I'm not an expert, but all I know is Karl gave us the top of the line roof. He gave us the vents, the high quality vents, and
They refer to them as ridge vents, correct?
Ridge vents, absolutely. He gave us the ridge vents. He gave us the caps on top, so our house is even more efficient than a standard house would be.
As far as, did you and Karl talk about investment, what that means to you in the future with the 50-year transferable warranty that R&W offers versus some of your neighbors kind of went to a different company? And what did that 50-year warranty mean to you?
That meant a ton to us. Not only did we get a great roof, but now we've got a warranty for 50 years. So that gives us 50 years where we're safe and we don't have to worry about anything because they've taken care of us.
And that's a manufacturer's warranty, so if any defects or if anything was done incorrectly by the people who put the roof up, they're going to take care of it, not you.
Absolutely. Yep.
And it's a transferable warranty. So when you go to sell your house, your neighbor's selling their house, and you've got a transferable warranty, and you've got a ridge line vent system, which is most efficient in the country compared to the turtle vents. How does that make you feel about making your house payments?
It makes me feel really great. There's no doubt that we got the best system, and Karl treated us above and beyond that any other contractor would have.
And you probably wouldn't do it, but Karl had someone call you. Would you refer him to the next job?
Absolutely, yes, I would.
And Coach, are y'all going to win this year?
That's the plan. State championship.
Are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
RNG Roof, to Karl, my family, to your family, we wish you and yours the best. Anything else?
That's it, man. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Josh.
Thank you.
Appreciate you much.
Absolutely appreciate you.